Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Welcome to C4O. What you gonna do? We gonna trade today. We gonna make some bread. Come on, young bull. You hear what I said? Yo, welcome to Chuck 4 Options. Man, I've been kind of quiet online and everything, trading wise. I've had some real life stuff that I had to take care of, and I've been like in and out, you know. But I have been trading in the background, and it's been pretty nice. Let me get some things out my ear. Let me get this out. Let me turn this off and make sure my mic is good. News channel source. Let's get a good news channel source. So right now I am involved on a couple trades, a couple nice trades, that I want to get ready for. So I've been in Poet. I've been trading Poet for like the past couple weeks. And last night it finally broke out. So that's kind of cool. I am looking for boom. Let me set this up. I'm sorry. I was thinking about and debating on whether or not if I was going to stream or if I was going to have time to, but um it turned out that I was good today. So this is why I'm here now. We've had some crazy breakouts in the market with Nvidia. Right now, Nvidia is a huge breakout. The other day, those Tesla options were going up thousands of percents. You know, um, that was insane. That was an insane day. Now I've been picking up on Tesla. Tesla breaks out like that, like once in a while. And when you think about the market and what's breaking out in the market, Tesla really isn't participating into that upside broadside breakout up until recently. I'm sorry, I've been scrambled all this morning, and then I, talking to my neighbor, so I am just all off. Give me a couple seconds. I'll be right back. Simba, Wimba, Simbi, Wimby. Try to be a little bit more aware of that. Let's take a look over at. You're the most handsomest cat in the world. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Handsome face. Handsome. 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 Yo, Rich, what's up, man? Morning, bro. Where's the money moves at? Tesla paid me good. Yeah, Tesla was crazy. I've been getting paid off of Poet. So the other day, I had some contracts. Got the contract for $8. It spiked up to $38, and I was like, shit. So, and Poet's been like breaking out, and now overnight. So yesterday, I bought more of those contracts. Hey, buddy. They went down a little bit, but they had a big IV spike last night. I mean, yesterday. I'm sorry, last night. And I bought more contracts. I bought more of that contract, and I bought more weight. And I was trying to price them out for like for like next week and everything, because I wanted to play like their earnings and play into it and everything. And I thought earnings was last night, but like I think they like changed it like last minute or something. I don't really know, but I wanted to be exposed to some poet. So I was like, let me open up another position. So I got some weight. I was looking at the positions like into like next week into those contracts because I knew we were going to explode sometime, and they were also expensive. They're not like crazily expensive. They're like 30 a contract. But then you're looking at the weeks and you're looking at the different expiration days and everything. There's a certain process that you have to take when you're looking at options and time frames and everything and like price points. So that's what I was doing, and you have to go into the chain. This is why I always tell you, and everyone that even if you're not trading, if you're an options trader, you should learn that chain. You should go in there willingly and learn how it moves, learn how it breathes, and what happens. So when we open, I'm looking for a couple numbers, actually. I'm looking for a couple of numbers. We can keep you out. Put you in here. Let's take you guys out. I'm gonna snack on you. There you go, Simba Bumba. I don't know if you've met my cat. I have a cat. His name is Simba. Simba Wimba. Alright, I'm just getting my drinks and everything together. So, and I've been trading SPY too, and I've been kicking ass in SPY. SPY has been really nice. What time is it? 9:24. All right, let's get some news in our ears right now. Yeah, it's been a really, really, really nice couple days. Past couple days. Um. All right, just had to update. Okay, so it just has to like update and warm up and everything. Yeah, it's been really tough. It was tough for me a second back there. I was doing stuff and I was busy and I couldn't focus on certain trades, so I couldn't even, get on, but now I can focus and refocus. What are you doing over there, handsome? 742, 4213. 745.33, 745.33. But I need previous. I knew I should have wrote this down yesterday. I freaking knew it. And I was here too. Like I was at my computer yesterday. Like I was here, trading, actively trading. Wait, no, 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 no. That was Monday. I was Monday, Tuesday. I was trading. But then yesterday I was out. And then here we go today. We need 514. Days, maybe the 4-hour would probably be a little bit better. Oh, I don't want this. This is what I need. I'm like, these charts don't make any sense. This is it right here. I think we're looking for a minor pullback. It's some minor, but we're busting new all-time highs right now. Like, this is crazy. This is gonna probably just be a ripper. We're gonna probably just rip and go. We're just gonna probably continue to rip. What time is it? 28. What was it? Apple. These are done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh, no. This is gonna be crazy. All right, let's see what these bad boys are gonna go up to right now. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Give me that. I'll take all that. I'll take all that. Let's go. This price is still going too. Let's go. 700%. Let's go. Let's go. Let me make this money real. They got a $50 million contract this morning, Poet. Let's go. Let's go. Give me all that. I might just take that shit and go now. Let's check out these bars. Let's see what Poet does. Let's see what Poet does. Those contracts went up. Now, I got into those contracts yesterday for like $12. And they went up to 80. You know what? I'm selling out of all that. Give me that. And I got some runners over here. And we still got some more Poet. We got some other runners. That's money, baby. Wow, that's so sick. That's so sick. That's so sick. Oh my gosh. I was like, yo, this thing, I didn't think it was gonna break out like that. I mean, I was hoping it would break out. All right, bet we made that money. Now let's Oh no! Poet broke out more! Get the fuck out of here! No! How much are those things? No way! Wow. Did I really undercut myself? Within that minute, I lost out. Wow. You know what? Wow, that's crazy. You know what? I can't complain. I did really well. I mean, but that would have been fucking nice. That's crazy. That was my breakout right there. No way. These things just went up to this. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. Wow. Nvidia. Wow, that's crazy. Nvidia is a monster. Nvidia picking up a little bit. We're gonna see what's up with this. Oh my god! They're going crazy more. All right, evidently I sold way too early. These things are up 400%. That's crazy. These things just went up to 50 fucking dollars. Are you fucking 800%? Are you kidding me? Yep. These contracts are crazy. Insane. My $20, they're now 142. That's crazy. Dude, I got those things for $12 yesterday, $8 the other day. I was like, I am not selling. And now they're in the money. I knew that at 5 minutes. That's crazy. Up over 1,000%. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So I was pricing out these other things. How much are they now? Yep, $80. They were like $30, $20 yesterday. Those $30 calls on that side. Now they're $100 now. That's crazy. That's insane. This thing is moving like crazy. I can't sell this contract. I still have some other contracts that I had from that trade. I can't let go of them. I can't. That's crazy. It's wow. I sold all those other contracts for like way just undervalued. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Incredible. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow, look at Poet. $20. Oh my god. Bro. All right, all right. Now I'm kind of mad. Now I'm kind of mad. I sold it way too early. I was thinking this thing was gonna fucking like sell off. Nope, nope. It's running. It's running like a motherfucker. Mm. I can't even get rid of those. Wow, incredible. Look at this. 2050 Simba. We might fucking around hit 750 today. Wow, that's crazy. That's absolutely incredible. I'm thinking about just selling it right now. I mean, this is all free. I mean, I'm up. Wow, 560%. That's crazy. All right, I sold all that. I'm out of that. Mm, I was pricing out some other things too. Um, I've been pricing out. Wow, incredible. Wow, look at that. Mm-hmm. It works. It's crazy. You gotta do your homework, man. Mm. My Tesla call. Mm. All right, let's go, baby. Wow, incredible. Awesome morning so far. Wow. Awesome day so far. Big Po. Big Po pay, baby. Big Po pay, baby. Woo! Big Po. Big Po pay, baby. SoFi is just doomed. So a lot of times, man, the moves and everything happen, things happen, and the day just drags. And sometimes it's like, I really don't want to go through this dragging day on stream. You know, like if it had some more company, I would trade online more. But without that, it's just like, why? I mean, not really. It's good documentation and homework and everything, but on the days that it drag, and like they wait for the moves to happen, like these Nvidia contracts. You these guys are moving. You know what? I feel like I'm too late for that. Wow, these are already up that much? That's crazy. So this is where it's at. These, these. Mm. Poe waking back up. I don't want to really. It's these I really want to focus on. I really want to focus on these guys. Uh, no, it's these guys I gotta worry about. I got some SPY calls lined up right now that I'm looking at, and they're up. They're doing really nice. They're doing really well. All right, these guys. Okay, awesome. I like this. Mm-mm. Oh my God. Meta, Tesla. Hood can't catch a break. Hmm. I don't. Yeah, but these guys, these are the guys I really want to pay attention to right here. Whoa, what was that? I seen that. Oh, well, I'm out of Poe. I sold all my poet already. I cannot say I sold at the highs. I sold on the way going up, going up higher actually. Excuse me. Shit, if I would have waited like I think it was like 5 minutes, I would have made like up, double my fucking 700%. Sheesh. Oh, whoa, spy. Whoa, what's that? What's that? Whoa, whoa. Hmm. Did Meta finally bottom? Now this is a small little baby gap. What time is it? 9:54. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. They can still come down, close this gap, and still we can still end up higher. When they do that, a lot of this is going to shift. Those are going to change. Those are going to change, and then these are going to be more opportune. Uh, Trump just tweeted. What the fuck? This did Trump just sign? Trump's trading. Trump's portfolio is exposed. Hood is skyrocketing. Market's turning. I made I made one blunder, but I think it's a minor blunder. I think there's a time to buy Meta. I think Meta bottomed out for the most part, but I I gave myself enough time. I bought a good enough contract, so I don't think I have to worry about that too much. Oh wow, look at this. Bang, look at that reverse. Look at the Uno. Look at the Uno reverse. Look at the Uno. Okay. All right, boom. I got them. Then I got that. Okay. All right. Awesome. I got a better base. I got a good base. Ugh. And these other guys too. No, we haven't. Right now, it's talking about um, President Trump disclosed a trading portfolio that he has, but he's saying that he's never seen or heard of a sitting president uh, releasing a portfolio or trading or anything like that. Okay, Meta. Whoa, look at that meta. Ooh. That wasn't a blunder. That was a nice pickup. What expiration date is this? The fuck? Okay. Holy sheesh. I put a stop on that. A stop loss on that. This already jumped. Oh my gosh. How much was this contract before? Wow. All right. And then I'm just gonna watch. Wow. I bought that meta call at like the right time. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. We still got some buying power too. And I'll cover that position. All right. I think we're good. We are good. Yeah, you definitely missed Nvidia. Yep. And that's the thing about all-time highs. All-time highs is scary because when you hit all-time highs is price discovery. But then people say, why buy an all-time high? Like it's just gonna, go down. No, I'm not a poet now. Poet was nice. Poet was nice. It's cool. That's a risk-free trade right there now. So that meta contract was moving quite nice, and then I seen some red candles, and I was like, I don't need to be in all this. So I sold it. I sold it for a crazy profit. You know, not crazy. No, it was crazy. It was like 60 something percent, and I only had it open for a couple minutes. You know, so and now that trade, the win from that trade is covering my other meta trade. So I'm at a net positive. So even if that trade go to zero, I still made money off the trade. So it's technically a free trade, but I made that profit off of it. Then technically, I guess now I transferred that profit into the other contract. So yeah, I don't mind that actually like that. What? What? Okay. Alright. I also have some Teslas too. I got some Teslas. I really, when Tesla move, man, you gotta. Oh my god! And now Tesla's all the way in China and shit. So it's like, but I mean, that move could already happen on what's it, Monday, Tuesday when Tesla went up crazy. That Tesla money is just insane. I want to see this tick up. It'd be really nice to see this tick up. If I see this tick up, then what's the six? Yep, I should have kept it. I knew it. Fuck. It's at the same price, too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I knew today was going to be crazy. This morning with a poet. Freaking poet, man. Oh, let me check the leaderboards. I mean, not the leaderboards. I guess it technically is the leaderboards. I know this shit was going crazy. Can't believe. Oh, I can't believe I called this from yesterday. Oh my God. And push to 23 early afternoon. I should have kept my meta. I should have kept my fucking meta. I knew I should have kept my meta. Because and it was a beautiful contract, and that's why the contract went up the way it did. You know, beautiful contract. I picked a great strike price, a great strike, great expiration. Oh, oh man, it's just sometimes it's just a sitting and waiting, man. But you know what? I mean, because sometimes I got other stuff I gotta do. But I guess today I'm kind of free. Ford goes up $1 and people fucking going crazy. Um, I might just jump on some Path of Exile. Right now, my contracts. I wrote my contracts. I sold the ones that I swung. Opened up new contracts. Made money on those contracts. Cut down on those contracts, and now I got runners, and I have some more buying power that I just wanted to hold off on. So today was a great day so far. A good fucking day. Yeah, I think we're in like price discovery. I mean, we can easily hit 750 today. My God, we can easily hit 750. Especially if Tesla start taking off. If Tesla start taking off, Meta has a nice low pump. You know, especially coming off the lows. Meta just hit like was it at like 600 something the other day. Here we go, 5 something even. What day was this? This was the 12th. So this was 2 days ago, 5 something. I wanted to open up contracts those days too. Look at this. Look at this. That's crazy. But sheesh, I should have. I wish I would have caught more of that. I can maybe have taken off some more in Tesla. You see, you know, we can put the VIX back up. The VIX is probably somewhere down here. Where's the VIX? I'm looking for the UVIX. Look at this. Spy green UVIC screen. Crazy. Didn't expect to see this right now. Didn't expect to see this right now. This is so, that's crazy. Those are doing really good. Nice, nice. Awesome. I feel really good about those actually. And that right there, I think that one's free right now as well. So that's gonna go on. And then those, I didn't touch any of those. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I could have waited a little bit longer to get a better price on those though. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is just going off. So they definitely got like a contract or something over in China. There's a lot of shit going on in China right now. Um, all right, we're gonna. All right, we're fading the gap. Definitely fading the gap. They still got some time to go. Mm. At the end of the day, we do make money just by pressing buttons. And just sitting here looking for plays, looking for moves. Wow, Nvidia. Nvidia. Whoa. I know she got some Nvidia pussy. What's up with this Nvidia coochie? That Nvidia coochie crazy. Them contracts were not looking like that earlier. That's why I didn't fuck with them. That's crazy. Monday. I think I want to pay attention to Meta for a while. $794, almost $800. This is wow, that's crazy. 208 away. 172. That's crazy. Mm. Mm. Dude, those things hit in the money. Oh my god. I had to the Po 20 straight contracts. The Po 20s and I had the Po 30s. Oh my god. I have multipliers too. Oh. I sold like the front half way too early because I was like, all right, I'm gonna sell half and half strike when we open. But that 5 minutes, like so much was going on, and that shit just start going up more. It went up like another like $1.50. Well, no, it went up to $20. So it went up another like $1.50, almost $2, because it was teetering between 17 and change and 18 and change. Pre-market at 18.55. I was like, yo, my god, ugh. That was sick. That was sick. Ah, that would have been a crazy fucking payday if I would have waited like a couple more minutes, man. What do they look like now? We're looking for the Po 20s. I was about to say, what? The Po 20s are $68. All right, yeah. I sold them for more than that, but they hit up to like 180 something. And you see, minus the volume and everything, they went from 180 something from when it hit $20. You know, like they hit a big price tag. That's why options you gotta sell like quick. You know, you gotta make your decisions. Wow, that was sick. That was sick. I might shop out next week. Wow, they're still $90. They're still up fucking 500%. Sheesh. I was gonna buy those two and these. Damn, I was gonna buy those. My God. Tesla took a turn. Tesla took a big turn, but I don't really care about that. I'm gonna hold those contracts actually. I'm gonna look at this. Because think about Tesla. Tesla move on a day that you don't expect nowadays. And nowadays, Tesla's been moving like crazy. Tesla is overvalued, but in current conditions, they want to hit a certain price. They want to hit a certain tag and everything. So I've been watching those moves like crazy over like the past few weeks. Mm. Let them run. If you're sending video, it's expensive now. Hmm. Yep. Mm, yeah, that's a good way to do it. The Clarity Act is being voted on. Mm. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. Yo, Nvidia's playing no games today, yo. Would I be an idiot? Not that I've been an idiot for the past hour and a half. Sheesh. Mm, I hate to be late to that party. I gotta go to this party. I gotta go to this party. I hate to be late, but I really hate to be late, but it's like you don't show up at all, like right now. Yeah, because these are all pretty nice. These are all really nice. Actually, oh, I should have bought more of those. Actually, so I gotta remember that, and that's why you want to do that a certain way. So next time, I'm just gonna go pop, 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 pop. It's better if you do it like that, because when you do it like that, you get a lot more wiggle room. You get so much more wiggle room. All right, Nvidia's going off. So maybe this is Nvidia's turn to go off, but I mean it moves so much, you know. Uh Nvidia has the third highest GDP in the world right now. Number one is US, number two is China, number three is Nvidia. Nvidia is bringing in more money countries than countries. Yeah. Wow. That contract is already up. Better just talking myself out of money. Nvidia is carrying the market right now. Yeah, I should have been. Oh my god. I got burnt on Nvidia a couple months ago, and it just felt so bad. And you know, you gotta just wait for the momentum, because you can't deny this momentum. You know, so well, I should have been jumped on that, and I gotta be a little bit more conscious of that, a lot less emotional. Breaking out, breaking out. All right. All right, spy. Let's go. What time is it? All right, I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer, then I'm gonna get out of here. I'm just not gonna just sit around and just um I don't know, twiddle my thumbs. Uh we can hit 750 today. That's crazy. You can hit 750 today. Nvidia. Nvidia, Simba, come look at Nvidia, Simba. Simba, where are you? Come look at Nvidia. We finally jumped in. We didn't do nothing crazy today. We should have done something crazy, but I don't know. I was looking at other places, other moves, when I definitely should have been looking at Nvidia. I mean, it definitely makes sense with Jensen being over there. I mean, that's definitely bullish. Yeah, look at all that. Hmm. Interesting. Look at that. Mm. Those would have been really good. Oh no. Ah, I should have bought more of these. Mm. Mm. I should have brought more of those, and that's why you want to do something like that, especially in this type of market. So this is, I mean, definitely we're in a big time bull market. It's scary, but this is still a bull market. You know, the last bull market I was in, it wasn't under these conditions or anything, but I made an exorbitant amount of money. But now that what this is going on, I think now I can come out of this bull market um, making more than what I made last time. Last time I made a little bit over 100,000. You know, we still got time. We still got time, but it took me about, I think, like 7 months, 8 months to make that. And I started with like 5 grand, not even 5 grand. But I wasn't trading like this. I was doing other stuff. Wait, no, in the beginning it was. This is the first time around when Plug and Riot was like going crazy. I was in those like hardcore. And Tesla was going off. This was before the splits. This is right before the first split. Look at freaking Nvidia. I'm really kicking myself in the ass now for not getting into those contracts now. Earlier, at least. That sucks. What the- Mm. It's these guys. Those are nice. These are really nice. And these are nice. I think there's a good chance we can hit 750 today. Great chance we can hit 750 today. If we hit 750, are they gonna let us hit that would be crazy. I would get nastily paid. Nastily paid if we hit that 750. Oh, the Clarity Act.
customers. So I think you have to be consistent. You have to stick with it. You have to understand that sometimes it takes a lot longer to play out on the basis. Brotha. You like this in the dip? 40, 200, and the update. I mean, the CPU space, right? Last time prior to their earnings, I mentioned this one, the pricing their data centers, the pricing their scale down units, the pricing in their potential growth on data centers. I mean, for me, I have plenty of exposure on shortage, so I'm not going into problem B. If you're looking at a shortage play, problem could be the play there. But to me, it's shortage. I have AMT luckily, and then you can also have problems get this on CPU shortage, potential AI accelerators are the ones to welcome. I mean, with it, so I mean, you get the opportunity. I personally don't want to. I mean, you have the manufacturing push. You have them getting a lot of contracts now. There's potential for something NVIDIA, the usage for them. Their earnings, they talked about advanced packaging. So Intel will definitely got the one thing to serve. It's shortage. I look at the other things. Yeah, Intel thing is interesting as well because like ARM, I think did because the CPU architecture lost. So I think majority of the foundation for what the CPU, I guess, agentic revolution look like for it. And now we're just stocks like that. If we have any rapid fire, put any fingers in the chat. We'll get Jose's quick thoughts about it. Let him get out of here. What the chip happened? The chip has happened. It's still happening. Probably going to happen. There. I'm proud of it. I'm proud. The entire sector is now the basis. This market's. It's pretty incredible. Yeah. And it's fun. I mean, the community is still good. It's fun with the communities also engaging. Fun things about the community.
Yeah, true.
I personally sometimes think about the research. There's so many shortages. Some of our members have talked a lot about shortages, and I think that's the great thing about maybe not even just having a community in general. Just not even about my community, but in general, is we have multiple eyes. You get to see a lot of opportunities.
Mm-hmm.
Take those opportunities, but you can say, look, this member or this person might definitely kind of got on this bullshit. S&P almost 7,500. Nice. All right, let me put a couple tickers. Vertiv. No thoughts on this one, so let's go. Just the power play, right? I guess that's the thing. That's how we go outside. I mean, paying. I mean, they in registration. I think that's a massive run up. And it's funny. This is one that again we used to actually discussed for a while. Some of these videos don't do well on these. Interesting. Sure, it's just gonna tell them on this play right now. I put it. A lot of things I put.
Let me stay on a little bit longer. Let's play some Hearthstone. Play some Hearthstone. I'll give it a little bit. Hang out for a little bit. Oh, there's more people here. Oh, Tyler. Hey, Tyler. Oh, my gosh. I didn't even see that. I thought it was Rich Rich. My bad, buddy. My bad.
Morning. Optics space a shortage in the space. I mean, you're getting a lot of excitement. Like I mentioned yesterday, we saw kind of TSM, SEM. Kind of mentioned that one customer pretty much had a backlog on that for optics. I don't follow the optics promotions too much, but there's a lot of applications that this is not.
So the market is on Nvidia's back.
Again, no thoughts here outside of just the partnership. I do see like Marvell. Marvell is one that is asking it. They have partners yet, but I mean, basically, right now, it has well, trading expected to well there, and then recent acquisitions of optics play network space. They're also APCs. I like Marvell, but Marvell's talking about very top. Freedom. Freedom. Oh, I like this one. Strong earnings again. I think they just did an acquisition again from they are a scale out company, but they're also going down scale up acquisitions in the networking space. I've talked about it in this channel with slices like created like a mini network ETF, like this where Freedom, Stereo Labs, and Arca, all those are up 100% since we talked about that. Yeah. And finally, AMAT. Yeah, I mean, earnings. Equipment players are expected to have a nice tailwind. I mean, if you have TSM increasing capacity, you're hearing all of these niche manufacturing players also saying that they're increasing supply constraint, so they need to increase capacity. You have the memory players that are increasing capacity of manufacturing. You have Intel that now has the most success rate on 14A. If they're going to be successful in 14A, they need to buy more equipment. So a lot of that is somewhat priced in, but as the business, the tailwinds are definitely there for big spending. There we go, Jose. Thank you. We have appreciated deeply. Past couple of years at this point, Jose started coming in. That's great. There we go. Appreciate it. Jose's YouTube, I'm linking right there in the chat. If you are not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. We've been 84K last night, 85. Twitter there as well. And you can follow Jose and I will be streaming in video. So that'll be, it's crazy. It's next week already. I didn't think it was that. I don't know why I thought it was excited. The reason you think it's crazy it's next week is because that's vacation time. But in video with vacation. No vacations until I think until all right, Sam. Thanks so much. Talk out, man. Thank you. Take it. Later. All right, Clarity Act has not been passed. The hearing is going on right now. But it's not passed. It is going hard with the committee member. Let me go to this real quick. I think it's gonna get passed. Right now they're still debating. Right now, American families all across this country are struggling. The cost of groceries is up, the cost of utilities is up, the cost of health care is up. We could be working right now on changes on every year that failed to deliver families paying up to $5 million a year that they otherwise get. We could be stopping racial fraud and theft on payment platforms. Our failure to deliver care means that Americans are paying hundreds of millions of dollars after getting printed and tracked. But instead of that, we're spending our time working on a bill by crypto industry for the crypto industry. Obviously, she's not a fan of this. Got Senator Loomis talking about it. Thank you. So I think they're going to be debating it for a while until they come to the conclusion if it happens or not. What?
Wow.
Leadership is aiming for at least 25 Democrats to say yes. Like the recording 17. Senator John Kennedy. 60 votes in the Senate floor.
That sucks. I sold that one too early.
So it might, but it's not a done deal. That is true. But completely breaking above. That's 77, 89. So yeah, it's just the first step in getting this started, but it's not official. Ondas, look at that, getting a breakout, stuck for a while, 2%.
Wow. I sold that contract way too early. I was looking around here and it was looking kind of crazy around here, and I sold one at a wow. Those double. Interesting. Hmm.
Now sketch the vids and the soft names back. IMF is in talks with member countries to provide support for the impact of the Iran war, with many looking for policy guidance. IMF's global economy shifting to a bad scenario. Again, that's the thing that I'm talking about. Issue we're having, but I think once again, more ends down. Josh Brown just put out his latest long idea. Quote, pure and simple, Allstate is a breakout in progress. I'm calling it. Correct quote. Allstate insurance. Year to date, it's up 5%. Huh. AI insurance, baby. Baby. Right, buying SpaceX on IPO. No, I have Rocket Lab. How do I need SpaceX? Bought full Rocket Lab at 67 March. 1,100 shares. Full battery. You know, there's a lot. When I posted that screenshot, there were a lot of people trying to step this. How are you buying this company? Like outside of fighting and explaining, technically Rocket Lab is a system against SpaceX. SpaceX problems. I'm not involved in SpaceX. Rocket Lab, hopefully SpaceX goes to 3 trillion.
The meta didn't change. The Teslas are like teetering.
What are your thoughts on Wix? Dude, I looked at their earnings last night. The earnings were okay, but yeah, one world is survived. I think there is a world where that happens, but the market's definitely not. Again, Microsoft Wix website app builder. Claude can do a lot of that. OpenAI can do a lot of that. I don't think it deserves to be down 40%. I can understand 10 or 50%, 40%. The markets. Intel 116. Will you buy this 3% IPO? No. I mean, look, if it's actually IPO and get 300, 400 shares, it's be pretty exciting to see how right now. Here's a good point by Chris, who just tweeted Brad Gerstner. I didn't know this was leading the IPO. Last time Brad Gerstner led an IPO, stoked. We don't know what happened now. So it's one of those things where it's like, love Brad, awesome. Retail, plenty of times. So make sure he gets bags. And he's going to get liquidated the very heavy premium. So just 1 second. 3% not snow, but it's fair. Again, Jose's point, one major customer, you're going to be able to do 136. That's just, I don't know, dude, maybe we're in this market reading just like that. What happened with the Snowflake IPO? I mean, it just got done. Worked like a week. In fact, he got freaking Berkshire buys. The IPO at 250. Still wins IPO at 250. I think it popped up at 421. How long did that take? So they IPO'd at 250 on September 30th, 2020. Got to 429 December 2020. And then it was just a little bit of a pump last November to December. Although, given data.com's earnings being but Rock Lab did touch 130. Nuts. Saying Brad liquidated retail is a wild take. But that's what happened. He pumped it. He sold. Retail bought. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's what happened. That's literally what happened. 2020, when retail was going crazy, buying everything better. He had like 80 different SPACs that IPO'd within a month. They sold their shares, their LPs. Someone bought it. I'm sure some institutions bought it, but a lot of retail, like today, buy sleepers. That's like it's going to collapse. That's over. Point. It does collapse. Like, yeah, that could be. And I don't even blame Gerstner for doing it. It's kind of his job. He needs to get these companies super early. Right? I mean, SpaceX, we talked about passive backs. You have a lot of VCs passive backs to retail, 30% allocation. And then you just got to hope that IPO works. But if it doesn't, Micron, are we still green? Like, almost passing up the bag sounds like a ritual. We all will do it eventually. We all get older, sell our portfolios, ready to retire. We're passing our backs to the next generation who's somehow convinced that if the US doesn't pay back their $40 trillion in debt, then it's going to be okay. I was talking to Louis last night. That was part of the chat. He has 100,000 shares. So he's up quite a bit. And one of the things he told me last night, we had like a 40-minute conversation. He was just like, there were a lot of dark things. I don't think it's going to get a lot of things. He really looked at his account. I think this person 60, 70% points he made is just like, if I don't buy tech, this government will never pay back their debt. They are going to inflate all of our money never. So he's like, the only thing I have my money is some pieces the rate of growth, and I've just been happy enough, strong enough to accumulate this asset, the most important asset in the world over the past 10 years. First started buying back in 2016. But part of his thesis, outside of like AI technology, was just like something that solves the debt problem. And as a result, that's what I mean by liquidity. Like, and all of us one day will pass on our backs to someone else, and that someone else, maybe the bigger branch, that's buying the stock market, they're going to have to believe that they need to be invested in this thing because over time, they have to have something to come out. Asset winners have been winning the past 5 years, even for overdraw. It's asset winners. 40 trillion right now. Clarity Act didn't pass through. It is still being voted on. I don't think we're going to know until like 12, 12:30. But again, if it does, we need the Senate to vote on it next month. Today's important. Say 100,000 shares at $3. I did indeed. He did say to me though, I think it's something probably think about 270 for a short period of time. He's getting he said he's probably going to sell some covered calls around 265, 270. And as bullish as he is, he also thinks that if we do get it, we've got time. 265, 270 if there were to happen over the coming weeks, who knows at this point? That would be a 20% move here after that. Crossing 7 trillion like that. 6.5. So old and retired. I mean, he could have done that for a long time. And some of the stories he's telling during COVID will tell us. Also, the biggest 2021 after we got a big in 2021 when crypto industry was used for mining, and then once the necessity for mining kind of went down, it fell. And that's when he really got to ask himself, do I believe there's another cycle that's coming? Get that money. And then AI got one thing. Navi is trying to go for 230 right here. This tax bill's pretty bad. All right, I think that's it for us. I'll be back on the close. I believe we'll have this on show later today. We have a bunch of earnings as well. We'll cover this IPO with that. React. This goes through. We got the we talked about China at the beginning of the show.
Wow, I saw those. Well, no, I sold them just a little. They were just a little bit cheaper, actually, than what I actually got them for.
Market reacts, but as of now, okay, here's what Rubio said.
I would really like it if though if I can get those sales off. I have 2 sales I'm trying to get off right now. I hope I can get them off. I want that. Come on, man. Get those cells off, please. Did they? Nope, they didn't pop. I wonder what did we have to get to in order for them to pop.
Going back to the point of this morning, I don't think China cares about Iran, and I think they're actually going to help U.S. and Iran care about sealed upstream. Long-term pounds are getting a little bit of a bid. Rocket Lab back to 130. SPY another all-time high, $748. Incredible.
You know, I'm gonna top tick one of those contracts actually. I sold one of those guys at the high because it definitely feels good to do that. I mean, I could have undercut myself. How much I sell it for? But at least we got something going. All right, because 750, that 750 would be nice still.
All right, that is it for me. Let's do
top tick, top tick.
There, for anyone wants that Trump list of lies, chat.
Hey, one of them sold. One of them sold. Let's go.
We're 3 for 3 on the words of the days. Oh my God. Better rate. I'm going better. In better rate. In better rate. That's what I got. Long established, unlikely change. Better rate. Better rate. Better rate. That's a 80% bet. Better. Dude. 4 for 4. Kind of. Said in better rate. It's in better rate. We're doing that. That's not. That's not. 100%. This is we're going with it. All right, that's it. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate everyone being here. Great day. I'll be back to the market close. We'll have Chris on. Macro. We'll look at 3 Chris. Thank you, everybody. See you guys.
The other one just popped too. I'm gonna make those pretty much totally free. Whoa. Everything is popping now. Wow. Awesome. I knew we were gonna hit 640. I mean 750. Trish is on one. Trish is on one. Trish is on one.
what impressed you most about this Cavs win? And I guess say what you got to say about the trades. You're coming in hot already. I don't need to. You know, I'm awful. Like things coming to fruition the way that I see it in my head ahead of time. But Detroit led by 9 with 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to go.
Before you even continue, your fruition is mad late. Don't act like you've seen this. Your fruition was last series. Go ahead, start with your fruition. Go ahead. Wow. Your fruition is crazy, yo. Go ahead, yo. I didn't even interrupt you. But go ahead. Your fruition is wild.
No, it was actually earlier on in the regular season when we were talking about, oh man, is this Pistons team a problem? They're the 1 seed.
Wow, that's awesome.
Everybody's excited. Everybody's hyped. I just said, listen, pump the damn brakes, okay? It's a fun team. It's a young team. It's an athletic team. But this is not a real, true title contender. So
Wow, that one sold. The other one's gonna probably sell soon too. All right, so that's totally free. That one's totally all right. So everything is pretty much free right now. All right, we're making some really good bread today.
to be honest, that's kind of what it is. Duncan Robinson's back was injured, so he didn't play, which I think really helped, but really hurt Detroit. Osser couldn't do anything. Dennis Jenkins did some, but he wasn't taking the ball down the stretch. They're blitzing Cade, and Cade just can't do everything by himself. I don't know.
Wait, when do these expire? This was a really good one.
Isaiah Stewart, nowhere to be found. Meanwhile, the thing that was very impressive outside of the fact that James Harden did a lot of good things down the stretch of the game. I thought he was going to turn into a pumpkin at first, but he did a lot of good things down the stretch. But you had all of the role players doing good things for the Cavs. They just got a much deeper set of contributors. You have Max Strus turn the ball, turn Cade over. He had crucial threes. He was D'ing Cade up pretty much in the second half in a great way. They're blitzing. Donovan Mitchell didn't have a great game, but he's shooting threes, crucial runs at that. You even got Sam Merrill getting threes. So all the contributions from the role players came at one time where you got none for Detroit. It just was hard to watch. It was
Oh, so I like the way James Harden was looking like the old James. The 18 dribbles, the step backs, the threes, everything he was supposed to do, he did in this game. And I like that. Hold on to that little move that Donovan Mitchell was doing a few times down the stretch. I saw him try that same move. They slapped it out of his hand. So he's going to need a new move moving forward. But they was able to.
All right, so we're gonna let those hang, and even then, those contracts are later date, later date, later date. Those are next week's. Those were really nice. So we in these. All right, this is good. When is this? Okay, this is later date. I don't care about. I only want to look at today's expirations. These are nice. I sold all those all types of early. I sold those all types of early. Oh my God. So this one's going to sell soon too, if that's the case. Give me this. Whoa.
Only one team wins the fight. It's just one team. So every game you can trade with to find somebody. I told you. You've been told us this for a month. Only one team is going to win. I don't know what the hell you're trading about. I see what's going on right now. Oh, it's on my
Oh, he's mad. Damn, I saw those way too early. Oh my god. I got another 200% off this. I already made the play free. The play was free at that point in time. Wow, it ticked. It ticked. That's crazy. So what am I trying to do? I need you going to. We can put you here, actually. No, we can put you here. How's my NVIDIA doing? My NVIDIA is doing horrible. But I gave it time. It's not doing horrible. It's just not doing good. But I knew I was late to this party. I knew I was late to this party. I came to this party like right here. Wow. Doing really good today. So I have an idea of something actually. Uh I'm playing Hearthstone right now, and I have a tough decision. It's looking like I'm going to win, but it's like poison. I get 2 poisons over the Leroy. I'm gonna keep the Leroy in my hand. This is going to summon up my big guy. I'm getting my hand triple and replicate. I'm playing Murlocs. I got 3 corals, 1 gold, 2 regular ones. Big guy in my hand, and I'm summoning it out with the other guy. Yeah, I'm happy I kind of went this. Yeah, the poisons are going to do a lot of work. Yup, but you got a freebie. Oh no, he ate him. Oh, he ate him. Oh, he ate him. Ooh, ooh. He ate all my guys. So I'm definitely going to need. I need Leroy's and I need poisons. I need Leroy's and I need poisons. Poison. This is huge, actually. That's massive. Get rid of you. I needed that triple. That was a really big, important triple. I think this is probably worth it to go for this. Nope, it wasn't. Alright. Can I do anything here? One of these guys got eaten up. I might. I don't know. This is gonna be for the game though. Like I need the summon because it's gonna summon itself. Then I have to get this off. The expert avatar. I have to get that off. All right, this is it. I have 7 life left, and he has 4 life. So this is game. He beat me last fight. This is for first place, first and second place. Let's see. I used to stream some Hearthstone. I'm okay. I like card games. I'm a big fan of card games. Nah, he's got too many big guys. I needed my small guy to get that poison, effect off. That poison ate the wrong person. His big guy ate my big guy. Yep, that's a wrap. I went against demons. I had to find the triple. If I could find the triple, I could play another Leroy out my hand, and that's why I kept the other Leroy. Then I get the triple. Then I would have had 2 big guys and 2 Leroys. I put the Leroys in the front. They just eat up everything, and then I just have those guys anchor in second place. And today, our trading, we made some money. We made some money today. We made some money today. All right, we're not going to be greedy. We're going to sell that. That's at a good price. And it's a good time to get anything hanging. Just get it out. Now, because this is it's going to run. And just in case, you know what? I'm okay to sell this. I'll make money at other places. But let's sell that. This is up. That's just up 144%. It was up a lot more than that. It was up a lot more than that. I still got my Nvidia. Where's my Teslas? I got my Teslas. My Teslas are actually doing okay. Oh, there you go. Tesla's actually doing really nice. So we're gonna keep the Teslas. These are all later date. This is all next week's and everything pretty much. Alright, I think I'm gonna get off right now. What is this? The spy. Okay, we got a couple contracts left. We have 2 there. Awesome. So these are all free. Those are free. I mean, everything right now I'm looking at is free. But let's start taking some of this money off the table. This is looking really good, actually. We're actually going to keep that. We're not going to touch the 14th. We got some on the 15th right now. 20th, 20th and 19th. So this 19th, those are free. These 20ths, these are all free. This already doubled, so I don't gotta. But those are free because I had multiple. I had all weights of all this stuff. What is this? This is for tomorrow. We might keep it. I don't know. We'll see what the rest of today is gonna do, and then we're just gonna worry about the rest of the stuff. This one was a really good contract. This was a 200%. That's nasty. But I already sold out of that one. I hmm. Hmm. The meta contract still hasn't moved. But that's just a profit guy right there. There's a yeah, there's profit baked in on it. And it just I guess it's the profit from the last trade that I took on it. I'm listening to what's it called? It is what it is. Mason Cam. All right, so these testers are gonna wake up soon. What time is it? Wow, only 11 something. Those are gonna start going crazy soon. Hopefully Tesla going to run a fucking 15, 20 point run. Everything's good. All right, I'm getting out of here. All the contracts and everything, they're gonna start waking up like crazy. Like the ones that I have, I actually already woke up. I bought them for like $9 and sold most of them for like 30 something. But I had stuff like that all around. So, and I scaled out of most. Then my longer dated ones I got for 4, sold for 8. I sold a couple of them for 8, and then I have like 3 or 4 going into next week. I got stuff like that. Today's Thursday. Going into next week is pretty good. Tuesday, especially if I think the bull run is going to continue. I think it's going to continue going up. So, um, and if not, I already made money off those contracts, and a lot of those are free anyway. So, I just wanted to cover myself right there. They're going to move hundreds of percent, but if not, for a while, then, but I think this thing is going to keep going. If not, I understand what's going on in the market right now. Um, yeah. It's so gone. Well, good luck. I am out of here. Today was a really good success, but you know, um, That's if I don't got nothing going on tomorrow. If I don't got nothing going on tomorrow, I'll be on. If not, I'll be here. If I'm not here tomorrow, good luck. Send me a message on YouTube, or if you got my number or something, text me. I'm